Hello from Slovenia again. Happy Monday to everyone. It's fall, officially fall. So yeah, I choose some kind of fall colors, some greens, reds. I have yellowish green, I have azo yellow middle, cadmium red, 24K gold, magenta, lemon yellow, carmine and black. And today I will do a double dip. It's really easy technique. You know, you press two boards together, spread them apart, and you get some hopefully nicely looking, I thought that it's a delivery guy, trees, sorry, trees. So, while back I did one. No, I have to start here. You don't want to use a lot of color, a lot of paint for this technique. So I will basically just dip my brush into my black mix. All my paints are mixed with Overtroll, Floetroll today, and I will just paint for a background. I will not pour the paint on because I don't want too much paint on it. So if you add more paint, yeah, you still get some results, but I'm looking for the tree look, so because of that I don't want a lot of paint on because the suction will create that tree looking effects, you know. That's why I will just paint that. So yeah, paints are mixed with Overtroll, Floetroll, 2 parts Floetroll to 1 part paint, and water to consistency. My consistency today, it's kind of a middle thickness. It's not thick, but it's not thin either. We will say middle consistency for that. So yeah, I'm almost done with this part. I will not bother about the sides because I do them later. I paint them with white or black or gold or whatever I want. So this part is done. So I will start. I will go like, you know, like that, and I will try to leave some negative space there, and I dripped. It's not a big deal. Okay, some yellow. Maybe I should have added some white too, but didn't mix any white. Red. When we think about fall, we kind of think about brown color too, but I will not add brown because I'm expecting to get some brown out of those paints. So yeah. I don't know if this will work. I'm working on 8 by 8 inch boards. Those are MDF boards. A lot of people ask me, with canvas you don't get that kind of reaction, or how can I say, it's better to use MDF board styles, something that it is more solid ground, or how can I say, I will just add a little more green here. And as I said, I want some negative space there, so, and I will add some black here to maybe when I will split them, because this will be my top part, I will just try to cover this green a little bit. I will press them together and then spread them, not split them like that, so hopefully I will have some negative space on top. So have to press this to create some suction. And on the top it's a negative space left, hopefully, so let's see. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of this. Add some black here. So this negative space thing is not something that I like, because it's this, I don't know, it's just not how I imagined. And I will go with a little more color. Just on top, maybe. So if it doesn't work, you can always, you know, go again. Don't need to. Just say, okay, it's a fail, it's not a fail. Okay, let's see how this will work. Press together. Good. I'm not sure what to think about this. This bottom part kind of bothers me now. So let's do one more here. In the middle. And I will start with a little bit of black here. Those colors are kind of, I don't know, maybe I didn't use the right green, should be darker. Want some green here. I did this on 4x4 and it worked kind of okay, but it doesn't work here on the bigger one, so I don't know. Let's see. Third time. And I don't bother about the sides because I paint them later or sand them. It's just, you know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now I'm happy. Here she is. I kind of like that black line now because it's kind of gives a little 3D look, or how can I say? I love the trees. I'm not sure if I use the right green or I should use white for a background, but I like it now. I will show the dried results on Wednesday. So yeah, third time a charm. This is it for today. Thanks for being here and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.